Leadership potential is a measure of how well an individual can work with others. Often, people with high leadership potential are interested in helping make a difference. They're comfortable working with people and can ask for help in different ways. Now, if you want to test your leadership potential, you've come to the right place. For this video, let's talk about leadership potential. But before we begin getting into this video and the nuts and bolts of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video where you are in your process and saying I subscribed, and I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to become a leader? Not just a leader, but a truly effective leader? If the answer is yes, then you might want to know if you have what it takes to become an effective leader. So, what does it mean to be a great leader? The term leadership is used to describe the ability to lead, guide, influence, or impact the actions of others. This skill is often viewed as a contested term. Leadership potential is an innate quality that is shaped by experiences and values. Research has found that the ability to identify potential is a competitive advantage in the marketplace. To identify leaders' potential, organizations must use well-grounded, dependable tools. While past performance reviews are common, they tend to be biased by a person's previous performance. When it comes to leadership potential, there are a variety of different tools and techniques to evaluate each person's level of skill. One way to determine if someone is a great leader is to consider the foundational dimension of leadership. These include personality characteristics, social skills, and cognitive skills. Getting these attributes wrong can cost your organization a lot of productivity and profit. Each dimension is defined by an interrelated set of competencies. These skills enable leaders to work together effectively and to trust one another. For the most part, these innate qualities can only be improved with training and some level of psychological intervention. Some people may be able to learn more about a particular aspect of leadership through a formal program, an online course, or by interacting with a mentor. There are also learned or acquired skills that help boost an individual's growth. Such skills include the ability to make appropriate decisions, learn new concepts, and adapt quickly. Often, the best way to enhance growth is by having a mentor who can offer guidance and encouragement. Now, let's talk about communication. Communication skills can be a key factor in establishing and maintaining positive relationships in your organization. These skills are crucial to building trust among employees, I'm sure you would agree, boosting morale and encouraging productivity. Whether you're a new leader or an experienced professional, it's important to master these skills. Another important skill to master is active listening. This skill allows you to make sure that your team members are fully involved in conversations. You must be able to listen well to avoid misunderstandings or complications. Active listening also helps you develop others' ideas. Now, I want to talk about adaptability. Adaptability to change is another hallmark of a great leader. It's a crucial leadership trait. Whether you're faced with a change in a business model or an unexpected situation, a leader who is adaptable will be able to take the lead. Adaptability is a soft skill, which means it's not innate. In fact, it takes a lot of practice and training. This is a skill that can benefit your organization and your personal life at the same time. As a good leader, you should embrace transparency. The more transparent you are, the better your team will work together. Having a transparent culture helps employees understand what their job is about. The bottom line is that people want to know why they're doing what they're doing. Now that I've told you about leadership, do you think you've got what it takes to be a great leader? One last thing before you leave. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on leadership, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the video that's next, coming up on your screen right now. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV. Best of luck.